Micronutrients, vitamins, minerals, and other vital nutrients required in smaller amounts, play a critical role in muscle development, recovery, and overall performance. Without them, your body simply can't function at its best, no matter how dialed in your macros are. Let's explore some of the most powerful, yet often overlooked, micronutrients that can have a profound effect on your ability to build lean muscle, recover more efficiently, and boost strength gains. 1. Cholesterol, a surprising muscle builder. Cholesterol often has a bad reputation due to its association with heart disease. For years, it's been demonized, with dietary guidelines recommending people limit their intake. However, modern research shows that dietary cholesterol doesn't necessarily increase the risk of heart disease in healthy individuals. In fact, it plays a surprisingly beneficial role when it comes to building muscle. Cholesterol is a key component of cell membranes and serves as a precursor to important hormones, including testosterone. Testosterone, in turn, is one of the most important hormones for muscle growth. Studies have found a direct link between higher cholesterol intake and increased gains in lean muscle mass, even when protein intake is kept constant. This suggests that cholesterol might play a more active role in muscle building than previously thought. Rather than avoiding foods high in cholesterol, such as eggs or red meat, those aiming to gain muscle may want to include them in moderation as part of a balanced diet. 2. Zinc, crucial for hormones and muscle maintenance. Zinc is widely known for supporting immune function, but it's also essential for maintaining and gaining muscle. A deficiency in zinc can lead to significant losses in lean body mass, and even mild deficiencies can hinder physical development and growth. One of the main reasons zinc is so important for muscle growth is its role in regulating testosterone levels. When zinc levels are low, testosterone production can drop significantly, which in turn reduces the body's ability to build muscle. Athletes and individuals who train intensely are at even higher risk for zinc deficiency because zinc is lost through sweat. This makes it particularly important for active people to ensure they're consuming enough zinc on a daily basis. Good sources of zinc include oysters, beef, liver, chicken, shrimp, pork, legumes, and nuts. For those who struggle to get enough from food alone, a high-quality zinc supplement can help. 3. Vitamin D. 3. More than just the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is synthesized by the skin when it's exposed to sunlight, particularly UVB rays. It has long been recognized for its role in bone health, but its impact on muscle strength and performance is just as critical. This vitamin is essential for proper immune function, bone strength, and hormone regulation, including testosterone synthesis. A deficiency in vitamin D can lead to reduced muscle strength and endurance, slower recovery times, and even a higher likelihood of injury. Many people, especially those in colder climates or those who spend a lot of time indoors, do not get enough sun exposure to produce sufficient vitamin D naturally. Supplementation is often necessary, particularly during winter months. Blood tests can determine your current vitamin D levels, and from there, it's possible to adjust your intake through supplements or dietary sources like fatty fish, egg yolks, and fortified products. 4. Water, essential for performance and recovery. Hydration might seem like a basic part of fitness, but it plays a major role in muscle function and recovery. Muscles are composed of about 79% water, which highlights just how vital hydration is for strength and endurance. Even mild dehydration can negatively impact performance by reducing motivation, increasing fatigue, and impairing coordination and reaction times. Biologically, it also reduces muscle protein synthesis, the process of building new muscle tissue, while increasing protein breakdown, which can hinder muscle growth. To stay hydrated, drink water regularly throughout the day, especially before, during, and after workouts. A practical approach is to monitor urine color. Pale yellow usually indicates proper hydration, while darker urine suggests you need to drink more. 5. Magnesium, a key player in strength, sleep, and hormone regulation. Magnesium is a mineral involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including muscle contraction, nerve function, and protein synthesis. It's also essential for quality sleep, which is critical for muscle recovery and growth. Deficiencies in magnesium can lead to a wide array of problems, including reduced testosterone levels, muscle cramps, poor sleep quality, high stress, and even depression. Unfortunately, many people do not get enough magnesium through their diets, especially athletes who lose it through sweat and require more than the average person. Magnesium-rich foods include dark leafy greens, legumes, nuts, seeds, and whole grains. Supplementing with magnesium, particularly forms like magnesium glycinate or citrate, can also be beneficial if dietary intake is insufficient. 6. Creatine, proven to boost strength and muscle mass. Creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for increasing increasing strength and muscle size. It's naturally produced by the body and found in animal-based foods, especially red meat and fish. However, the amount you get through diet alone may not be enough to fully saturate your muscles and maximize its benefits. Creatine works by increasing the availability of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the primary energy currency for muscle contractions. Supplementation allows for more explosive movements, longer workout sessions, and ultimately, more muscle growth over time. Studies show that taking 5 grams of creatine monohydrate daily can lead to significant increases in muscle mass and strength, particularly when combined with resistance training. 7. Omega-3 fatty acids, anti-inflammatory and anabolic. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines offer a wide range of health benefits, including cardiovascular support, reduced inflammation, and enhanced mental health. However, they're also excellent for improving body composition and muscle growth. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is crucial after intense workouts to speed up recovery. They also improve insulin sensitivity, lower cortisol levels, and support anabolic signaling in the muscles, all of which contribute to improved muscle development. If you don't eat much fatty fish, consider supplementing with fish oil. Aim for 1 to 3 grams of combined EPA and DHA per day, depending on your dietary intake. 8. Iron, vital for oxygen delivery and energy. Iron is a mineral that plays a key role in producing red blood cells and delivering oxygen throughout the body. Without adequate iron, your endurance, fatigue resistance, and overall strength can suffer. While iron deficiency is relatively rare in men, it is much more common in women, particularly due to monthly blood loss from menstruation. This makes it especially important for female athletes to monitor their iron levels. Food sources rich in iron include red meat, poultry, seafood, and especially organ meats like liver. Plant-based sources like spinach and legumes are also good, but the body absorbs iron from animal sources more efficiently. If you suspect an iron deficiency, get a blood test before starting any supplementation, as excessive iron intake can be harmful. 9. Protein, the cornerstone of muscle growth. Though it's a macronutrient, no discussion about building muscle would be complete without addressing protein. Your muscles are made of proteins, and consuming adequate amounts is essential for increasing muscle mass. Muscle growth occurs when your body enters a state of positive protein balance, meaning more protein is synthesized than broken down. Without enough protein, your body simply can't build new muscle tissue. Research shows that consuming around 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, or about 0.73 grams per pound, per day is optimal for muscle growth. High-quality sources include lean meats, poultry, fish, eggs, dairy products, and plant-based proteins like legumes, tofu, and tempeh. Final thoughts. Building muscle is about more than just hitting your protein target and lifting heavy weights. It's a comprehensive process that involves maintaining proper hydration, consuming enough essential vitamins and minerals, and ensuring hormonal and metabolic functions are all operating smoothly. Micronutrients like zinc, magnesium, vitamin D3, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids, along with compounds like creatine, play vital roles in the muscle-building process. When one or more of these nutrients are missing or deficient, progress can slow or stall altogether. By taking a more holistic approach to your diet, one that includes not just macros but the right micronutrients as well, you'll set yourself up for faster gains, better recovery, and improved overall health. Consistency, smart training, proper nutrition, and attention to detail are what ultimately separate average results from extraordinary ones. So, evaluate your current nutrition plan, identify where you might be falling short, and make the necessary adjustments to support your goals. The results will speak for themselves.